guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful buttercream marble look with wafer paper used in a cascade look. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So first I did crumb coat, and then I did a second coat of buttercream, pop it in the freezer 5 to 10 minutes. And then I randomly placed a little bit of peachy tone color here and there on the cake to create that kind of shade. I always mix in pink with a little bit of white, and also a little bit of orange, and then mix it in, and then it creates that nice shade. If it's too dark, I go ahead and put a little bit more of white buttercream to tone it down. So what I do, place it all the way around, and then over it I place white buttercream, and then I smudge it like this, so that color is combined. And then with my scraper, I just go around it and then kind of remove the buttercream, but at the same time it blends in into your cake, and then you have that beautiful like marble look. And then for the pièce de résistance, what I did is that I used wafer paper that I cut in different shapes, and then you don't care about the shapes, you want whatever shape, it doesn't matter. What I was trying to do is like a little bit of a triangle, but it really doesn't matter. And then using my kettle, because you want to use some steam, you just put it over it, and then the paper will create its own shape. Just be careful, because wafer paper, if you it doesn't like water, it will become sticky. So if you put it too long, it's just gonna become wet, and then it's just gonna, it won't stay like nice and wavy. It's just gonna, and then that's it, and then you'll have like not a nice piece. So just put a little bit like that, and then turn it around, do all the corners, and once you're happy with the look, just put it on the side, and then do another piece. And yeah, so you do that as you go. For to paint it, what I did, I used my airbrush, and I used a little bit of, first I used pink, and like I said, the wafer does not like a lot of humidity, so do not go like crazy with your airbrush, because or else you're just gonna mess up the whole entire wafer paper. So just a little bit here and there on both sides, and then I finished the look with edible metallic paint right here. By the way, if you do use this, you're gonna see it's quite thick for airbrush, so I always dilute it with a little bit of vodka. If you're not comfortable with vodka, you can also use lemon extract. So you mix both, put in your airbrush, and ta-da, it's like so pretty. So yeah, so I did that, and then I just place it on my cake however I want it to be, like and it's like really easy to place. The top, you can just like literally stick it in your cake, and then for the sides you can simply place a little bit of buttercream, or if your buttercream is still a little bit sticky, like wet, should I say, or anyway sticky, it's just gonna stay there. Yeah, can it be placed in the fridge? Yes. Will it lose its shape? No. So I really like this technique, and it just gives it a beautiful wow factor. And then you can also finish up the look with a little bit of edible glitter, and then you get this beautiful sophisticated cake. By the way, all the material that I'm using in all my videos actually will always be in my description box down below, or also in my Amazon store. So if ever you're interested in that, knowing what I use, you can go ahead and look at that. And that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.